So hello everyone and welcome to my channel Graphic Diagram. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create this beer illustration using Inkscape. So this is particularly a illustration series. So in this I will going to teach you some illustrations. There are probably 10 to 15 illustrations in this playlist. So stay tuned and let's get started. So first of all we open GIMP. We will open Inkscape. So for this, let's open it. Okay. So this is Inkscape, and I'll give you a link in the description how to install it. So let's grab this circle. So first of all, let's set up our document. So basically, this will be a fast tutorial. So I am not going to explain everything, every step I'm doing. So keep a deep watch. So what I'm doing. So and if you don't familiar with the interface of this software, you can check out my Inkscape basics, which are in which I have told you some functioning of these tools. So do check it out. I will give you link in the description of that video also. So without wasting time, let's get started. We have set up our document properties, and now just open this current stroke menu and alignment distribution menu from this tab here. Now grab the circle, draw a circle like this. Now go to path, objective path. Now duplicate this, shift it a little bit like this. Duplicate this. Now flip the object horizontally. Like this. Grab this one, the lower circle, and move this a little bit up. Like this. Now select the whole and union. Okay, so after getting the face done, we'll grab another circle like this and go to path, object to path. Now we'll duplicate this. I will decrease the size like this. I will turn it to blue. Duplicate this. Like this. Now click on this, press shift, and click on the bigger circle and difference. Again click on this, press shift, click on this difference. Okay, now grab this rectangle tool like this. Now press shift, click on the remaining part and difference. Press shift, click on this and center it on a vertical axis. Okay, now click this, duplicate this, press this and difference. Now zoom in. Delete this node and delete this node. Okay. Now make this node smooth, not auto smooth, only smooth. This one also. Drag this little bit down like this. Okay. Now click on this and move this like this. Okay. Click on this, delete this node. Click on this and delete this node. Okay. Now take this. Compress it to 0.7 and run it to 0.2. Now path, object path, and rotate this like this, and delete this node. Make this node smooth. Press shift, click on this and reference like this. Now we have created our bear mouth. Now create this circle and click on this and center it up on the vertical axis and horizontal axis like this. Now duplicate this. Again duplicate this like this. Okay. Now grab this handle and move this little bit up like this. Okay. Now grab this one, make a triangle like this. Like this, and path, object path, path, union. Okay, now click on this, create a circle, again duplicate this, difference. Shift, click on this and go to path, object path. I will make this red. Rotate this. Like this. Now click on this, duplicate this. Press shift, click on this and this. Now same you have to do here. Now place this here and duplicate this. Press this and difference. Now click on this like this, place it here and click on this difference. Now I will just grab this and path union. Now click on this, press shift, click on this and path union. I will take this and move this little bit up like here. Okay, now I will grab the circle tool create a circle like this. Okay, now I will go to path, objective path, click this edit by path tools. Like this. And center it on a vertical axis. Click on this, center it on a vertical axis. Click this, pressing this, and difference. Click on this, path, difference. Like this. Again, I will click on this. I will delete this node here and these nodes here. Okay. Okay, so I think we have completed our beer using INKSCAPE. So guys, I hope you like the video. If you like it, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good day and see ya. And don't forget to tell about the thoughts of this video in the comment section. So guys, keep watching it.